I'm Josiah,
And I'm Martin.
and we're going to be showing you how to make chocolate footballs. These are all the items you will need to make chocolate footballs.
We're gonna need 13 Oreos, and we're gonna blend them until smashed. That's
13. And now we blend.
We're gonna put it in the bowl.
This is what it should look like when it's all grinded up. You will need 3/4 of a cream cheese block.
And then we'll mix after.
And now we mix.
Alright, we'll be back once we're done mixing.
And now it's time for turbo mode.
We're in the process of mixing.
It's going great.
And now we're making them into football shapes. Kind of like that, a little bit.
There we go. Now we're on to the chocolate.
And here we got our chocolate footballs.
We'll put them in the fridge to cool. And now we put them in the fridge to cool down.
And now we melt the chocolate.
You want to put them on for about a minute. You will need a Hershey bar this big to be melted. This is what the melted chocolate should look like.
We dip it in the chocolate. Make sure it's covered in the chocolate.
There we go. That's what they should look like. And now we'll go back to when they're all done. Now that we have all of them covered in chocolate, we're going to put them in the freezer. Let's get it. Now you want to leave them in the freezer for about
15 minutes, I would
15
say.
to 10 minutes maybe. And then, yeah, it should be good.
Yep.
So we'll meet back with you in 15 to 10 minutes. Let's get
We're
it.
gonna add the laces.
And we'll be back when we're done with all of these. And we're done enough with all the laces. This is what our final product should look like. You see how they're perfect? Look at all these footballs. Now, let's get on to the eating. Now it's time to eat. There we go. Now you should make some chocolate footballs.